Good morning children. In this video we will complete the lesson The Little Genius. Children, let's revise what we have learned in the previous videos. This story is about a little girl Matilda, and she is a genius. She loves to learn new things. Since she was a baby, she started learning everything quickly. When she was 4 years old, she started going to a library and read all the children's books. In the maths class, Matilda's maths teacher, Miss Honey, asked the students if anyone knew 2 times table. Matilda rose her hand and recited the table till 2 times 15 is 30. Then Miss Honey asked Matilda some difficult questions from multiplication. Matilda answered all the questions correctly. Then Miss Honey asked Matilda how she did multiplication so quickly in her head. To this Matilda answered that if a pocket calculator could do it, so could she. Miss Honey wanted to know more about Matilda. What she did, let's find out together. Let's read this paragraph. She went to the blackboard and wrote the sentence. I have already begun to learn how to read long sentences. She had purposely made it difficult. Let us see if any one of you can read this sentence, she said. That's too hard, Nigel said. The first word is I, Lavender said. Matilda read the sentence. That really is very good, Miss Honey said. Now first we will learn the meaning of a new word, that is purposely. It means knowingly. In the picture, the man purposely made the other man fall. Miss Honey wanted to know more about Matilda. So she purposely wrote a difficult sentence on the blackboard and asked the students if anyone could read that. No student from the class could read it. But Matilda read the sentence. Miss Honey got to her feet and walked out of the room, but was back in 30 seconds carrying a thick book of poems. She opened it and placed it on Matilda's desk. See if you can read that poem aloud, she said. Matilda read the poem at a nice speed. To know more about Matilda, Miss Honey brought a thick book of poems and told Matilda to read a poem aloud. Matilda read the poem at a nice speed. Miss Honey now knew that this was a special girl. It is a famous poem, she said. Poems may look easy, but it is very difficult to write a good poem. I know, Matilda said. I have tried writing poems, but mine are not very good. Have you? Miss Honey said, more startled than ever. Well, Matilda, I would like to hear one of your poems. Well, Matilda said, I have been trying to make up one about you, Miss Honey, while you have been sitting here. About me? Miss Honey cried. Let's learn meaning of another word, that is startled. It means shocked. Miss Honey was startled than ever. Miss Honey was shocked than ever. When Matilda read the poem, Miss Honey understood that Matilda is a special girl. She told Matilda that writing a good poem is very difficult. Matilda said that she had tried writing poems, but her poems are not good. Miss Honey told Matilda that she would like to hear one of her poems. Matilda said that she has written a poem about Miss Honey. Miss Honey became shocked after hearing this. Matilda stood up and very slowly, very nervously, she recited. The thing we all ask about Jenny is surely there cannot be many young girls in the place with so lovely a face. The answer to that is not any. Miss Honey smiled. It was a much broader one this time. Matilda stood up and recited a poem about Miss Honey, and Miss Honey smiled after hearing Matilda's poem. Here is another word. Broader, it means wider or larger. Miss Honey smiled, and her smile was broader this time, or her smile was wider this time, or her smile was larger this time. Now children, these are word meanings. I want you to write these word meanings in your notebook. Children, homework is to make sentences with these words. Thank you very much for watching this video.